Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs vlog here. Today we're going to do unboxing this Moto E. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified of my new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so I have here the Moto E, and again we're going to do unboxing this one here, and we're going to know the specs on this phone. Okay, so again, if you're ready, let's go. So there you go, again I have here a new phone from Motorola. It's a Moto E, and again what's in the box, we'll see what's in here, but again this is a brand new phone, and as far as I know, the release date on this was this year of 2020. Okay, so we're gonna open this box. Ooh, so excited. There you go. Oops. So I got here the box. I don't need that one. I have their adapter. And I have here the USB cable, and also here pin if you're going to take out the SIM card, and a Motorola manual. Okay. Same thing with the Motorola or the Moto Care. Okay, so here we go guys. So again, here is the phone. Ta-da! Wow. Wow. It's almost same size as my iPhone XR. They have two camera at the back, and they have the sensor. Nice. So but again, the specs on this one here is that Android 10 with easy access to the Google apps that you can see the most. Internal storage 32 gig built-in, and up to 512 gig micro SD card extendable. Sensors: fingerprint reader, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor. The processor on this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 with 1.8 GHz octa-core Kaio 250 CPU, 725 MHz Adreno 506 GPU. Memory RAM on this is 2 GB. Security is a fingerprint reader. The battery size is 3550 mAh. Charging is a 5-watt capable. The battery life is up to 2 days. The charging type is 5-watt charger. The display size on this phone is 6.2 inches maximum version. Resolution HD plus 1520 by 720p 271 ppi. Display technology IPS TFT LCD. The design dimension 159.77 mm by 76.56 mm by 8.65 mm. The body is plastic. Ports: micro USB ports, USB 2.0. Weight around 185 grams. The water protection, it's a water repellent design 3. The color is midnight blue. The rear camera hardware is 13 MP and 2 MP. The dipped single light flash rear camera video software. Slow motion time-lapse video, hyperlapse video, front camera video capture. The rear camera software is an auto smile capture, high-res zoom. Front camera hardware, it's a 5 megapixel. The rear camera capture, rear camera video capture, it's FHD 60/30 frame per second, high definition 30 frame per second. Front camera software, it's automatic smile capture, portrait mode, face beauty, HDR, a manual mode, watermark, audio speakers, bottom ported loudspeaker, smart PA headset jack, 3.5mm headset jack microphone, and 2 microphones. Experience voice control, a Google Assistant, smarter screen, Moto Actions, fast lighting, fast flashlight, 3-finger screenshot editor, pickup for silence, media control, connectivity network plus bands is 2G, GSM, 3G, UMTS, 4G LTE, Bluetooth technology, Bluetooth 4.2, NFC, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz and 5G gigahertz Wi-Fi hotspot, location services, GPS, AGPS. That's about it, guys. And again, we're gonna try to turn this one on, and we'll see how it works. But again, just to unbox this phone, so far my impression on this phone, it's awesome. And it feels like it feels like light for me, but it's okay. And beautiful, nice phone. And I hope, guys, again, I will try and do this probably in next video. But for now, I'll just do an unboxing on this phone, impression how it looks like. It's beautiful for me. I'm gonna use this one, and I will create a video what is my experience on this phone. Okay, so but again, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and if you're not yet subscribing, please consider subscribing my channel. And thank you so much again. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.